In this video, we're taking my tracked Gladiator out in deep snow. We're going way into the Alpine during a snowstorm, but that's when things go wrong and I get stuck in a frozen mud hole and have major problems with my tracks.
That's not supposed to happen.
I damage my truck and both rear treads come off the frame. It's getting dark, colder, and now we're in a survival and recovery situation, and I don't know if we're going to be able to get the Jeep out of this. Come along with me on this adventure. My name is Sean, and this is the story till now.
There's fresh snow on the mountains. It looks like we're in for a good snow day. Meeting up with Bruce and Denny, and we're gonna go just play in the snow and see what happens. See how far we can get into the trail with the tracks and with the Jeep on 40s behind us as well. So
Denny's Jeep was doing the bad things that it was doing before again, outside of Summerland, so we parked it in a neighborhood and we're back on our way in my Jeep.
okay.
So
We'll see you shortly.
just that way is more like trail with rocks underneath is what I'm thinking. This way is more or less hidden boulders.
Yeah, until
under
you get past
snow.
the lake.
So yeah,
Okay, well,
I mean both ways are pretty aggressive. So it's up to you. I'm game with either.
yeah, we'll stick with the plan.
Yeah, the way down is one thing. It's definitely okay now. I'm at about 1.5 inches of snow here.
Got Curtis riding passenger with me. Bruce and Denny over here. Let's go.
We're going to try and get as far into the backcountry today as possible and see what this machine can really do in fresh, deep snow. That means some forestry road travel here first up before we branch off onto a trail.
It's going to be my first fresh powder in the snow record. So, pretty excited. It's going to be fun. I made an oopsie.
Droning and driving counterattack. You want to try and back out, or you want me just to pull you?
Yeah, I'll give her a quick try here.
With the track system, it's almost learning a whole new way of driving off-road. I have to be a bit more careful when it comes to recovery situations. The tracks do not function as well when there's suspension flex, and you don't want to give them too much power in these situations as well, or you risk breaking things or treads coming off. So we have a massive advantage in flat snow situations, but a massive disadvantage when it comes to off-camper situations or obstacles. As we got off the plowed road and onto some fresh tracks, I figured I should take it a bit easy at first.
This is so much fun. I like it.
Yep.
Does it look cool?
Finally. Oh yeah. We just needed to dump snow for a bit and then be bluebird the last couple hours of the day.
That'd be great.
Please.
I think we're in the last couple hours of the day already.
Yeah, I know. Like.
So effortless.
Just feels like you're floating on a cushion.
You're just cruising, no problem in this?
Not a problem in the world.
Sweet.
Other than the lack of depth perception, so trying to stay in the middle of the road.
Yeah, and I think like our width, I'm maybe like a few inches narrower, so the insides of my tires are just catching.
we having fun yet?
No, this is so boring. Stupid.
Following a route that I've previously tracked on Onyx so that we don't get lost, because it's pretty easy to lose the trail in the snow. Being able to find our way back out is going to be super important. So that's what we're doing. If you guys aren't using a GPS app, highly suggest you try Onyx Off-Road. Saved my butt a few times. Check out my link in the description to save 20% on the Elite membership. Gets you all sorts of cool perks. Super awesome. Highly recommend.
We should not be able to do this time of year. This is unreal.
We were gaining a lot of elevation quickly as we climbed up through these tree trails. It was like a winter wonderland in there.
Trail shows the trail going to the left here, like we're breaking off of it, I think.
I don't.
Not really sure where the trail is. There's a huge hole in front of me.
Yeah, and the line says straight ahead.
Yeah, mine shows like slightly to the right, but I can't really figure it out.
When you get into deeper snow, it gets harder and harder to navigate, even using GPS. We were following the track, but seeing where the trail actually is under the snow was almost impossible.
time to battle. Let's do it. It's pretty insane how invincible this thing is, but I'm also terrified of what would happen if I had to repair a track right here. Yeah, that'd be a bad time.
We need to go that way.
Yeah.
I'm following that.
Between those trees, that's the trail right there.
Excellent. How far do we want to keep going? Because
That's the other thing.
It's 10 to 3. I mean, I might be able to just cruise right over this hole in the snow, but I don't know.
It's that far dip that has me concerned.
Yeah, well, if I can get over to the right and go around it, right?
That's true.
But I don't know if it's really worth it. It'd just be an awful...
There's tire tracks down there.
Yeah?
But like you said, then how far do we want to go?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to figure out if it's worth trying to cross this giant hole. So you can see here on Onyx, we're on the trail, but this is all we can see. The snow is like mega deep, so basically we're just gonna send it and see what happens.
This, in retrospect, was an error in judgment.
A back right track upside down.
That's not supposed to happen. That's not how it works. Passenger?
Slow reverse.
Yeah. That's really good news. So yeah, it was just took a little bit of help to get it back. I think what happened is when it flexed out and there was no weight on that track, the axle itself just spun the track. So he definitely needs some limiting straps because there's ones on the front that keep it going over backwards, but not on the rear yet. So
Wow. Look at that. Carnage.
Track looks good though.
Yeah, the track seems okay. I want to take a look at the inside wheels. Inside wheels look good.
Stop!
The tracks were getting stuck under some ice in a frozen over mud hole, preventing forward or backward travel.
Your front's standing up.
Alright, winch line. Be friendly.
Using the winch here to try and go forward would end up being mistake number 2.
Par for the course for this kind of stuff. Oh, this is an interesting one at least. So there's that.
Watch the rear track sliding off here. The lateral pull of the winch and the ruts in the snow are pulling both of the rear tracks off of the frames.
Stop. Back track is off. Luckily it was coming the inside way, or it might have popped without me seeing it.
Oh my god. That's bad.
Yeah. I was all so excited about the front wheel.
Yeah. Well, it may have got messed up when it rotated, right?
Yeah.
And that one. And the back one.
itch. The passenger side ones jumped off to the inside and the driver's side has jumped off to the outside. So at least they're not fully off. We'll try and hook up some ratchet straps and possibly my winch and try and walk the track back over.
It's pretty isolated now.
Can't dig so much snow. And max tracks support the weight of the Trail Destroyer. We will find out today.
Tune in next week.
Shout out to Modular X for hooking us up with the color matched max tracks, which we're gonna break. I need some more of these, Ryan.
If they weren't color matched, this wouldn't
If
happen.
you want some max tracks, check out modularax.com.
This is gonna work for sure.
It was getting dark and colder quickly, and the snow kept coming down.
Okay, a little bit of throttle. Keep coming. Yeah, it's still back in.
But there's so much snow jammed in there, I can't see the other side of it.
Can you see on this one? It'll be the same.
I think we're in business to try and get them forward. That's all the way in on that side.
Sean, maybe just call this guy.
Oh yeah.
Ironic we're using this piece of wood to cat off. Get over those wheels. Actually,
It's not coming over. Yep, here we go. That's it. Alright, let's look at this beast first here.
oh, you're hooked on the spacer. It's doing it. I feel like one more set of hands. If you want me to man that, Dion.
Just to try to turn it.
You gotta push down on it and turn it.
Oh, too much.
All the way to the adjuster.
Maybe lift this side.
Oh, look over.
Money. Here it goes.
Center fucking pocket.
Sender packet.
That has no give.
Oh, it's so close though. No,
Okay, okay,
it went on
okay.
this side.
Yeah,
That's
we're
encouraging.
way
I see it. Yeah, I see it. There it is.
There it is. Yeah.
That's it. Come on.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on,
Okay,
it's
now
looking
the other
better.
side again.
This way a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just a solid phone number reveal.
Yeah.
All right. We've been here for about 5 or 6 hours. Getting passenger rear track back on. Got it on. The driver's rear track is still off a little bit, but we're going to try and move a little bit and see if it kind of adjusts itself again, reassess, and hopefully get out of here tonight. Yeah.
Woo!
Make sure you get your merch at the merch.
Oh, we're sold out.
Well, we're sold out of merch, but when it's restocked, you can get some of that sweet stuff right there. Makes that sweet stuff right there happen.
We used the winch on Bruce's Jeep to pull the driver's side track slightly sideways as I drove back and forth.
Bingo.
Front's on.
And finally, we were able to get moving.
Woo! Is rope still frozen? All right, we're gonna start making our way out of this trail. We got a long way to go. We've been here for 7.5 hours, and we got both tracks back on. I hope they stay on. I hope we make it out of here and everything goes smooth. And but overall, learning experience. I knew this was gonna happen at some point, so we got her out of the way, and I couldn't have asked for a better crew to be with to take care of it. But stick around. We still got to get out of here.
You all right? Not sure yet. Happy to winch or pull.
On the hill climb out, I decided to not take any chances spinning the tracks. I wasn't confident that everything was super tight, and so I just decided to winch up a hill, and from there, we would be home free. Driving in the snow at night, especially somewhere this epic with all the off-road lights on, is one of my favorite things.
Happy to see this road. Me too.
Functioning like that.
I don't know. 2 broken wheels here. I'll get over here. I mean, we did hit some stuff in those trees. Missing wheel. That one's broken. I'll get back here. Yep. So, second trip out with the tracks. 3 more broken wheels. We were in some tight tree trails, hit some rocks. That's obviously how that happened. These ones, I'm like, I don't even know. All right, we made it out of the trail. Just got back down, gonna load up the truck and head home, maybe. The roads are very icy, very snowy. That was a wonderful afternoon.
Hey, we're driving out and driving home, so
Yeah, that's the best part.
that's a big win.
Yep.
Because it could have been a lot later, or tomorrow, or the next day. So
Definitely.
I'll take it as a win.
Me too.
Yep.
By the way, about half of you guys watching are not subscribed to the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, we're trying to get to 1 million subscribers by the end of 2025. I'd appreciate it if you help me reach my goal and achieve my dreams.